The trial of Wyatt Earp and Doc Holliday. Though Johnny Behan famously failed to arrest the Earps following the gunfight at the OK Corral, that didn't stop the wheels of justice. On October 28th, 2 days after the gunfight, the coroner's inquest found that Wyatt, Doc, Virgil, and Morgan were responsible for the deaths of 3 cowboys. Though Sheriff Behan dragged his feet, Ike Clanton filed murder charges against the Earps and their good friend Doc. Morgan and Virgil were laid up with bullet wounds, so only Doc and Wyatt surrendered. They soon posted bail and were back on the street. Justice of the Peace Wells Spicer, famous for his defense of John D. Lee for his involvement in the Mountain Meadows Massacre, opened the preliminary hearing on October 31st. Cowboys and their partisans immediately feared that both the judge and the prosecutor, Littleton Price, were Earp partisans. Ike was so convinced that he added his own lawyer, Ben Goodrich, to the prosecution. The Earps hired big-money attorney Tom Fitch to defend them. Believing Spicer to be a persuadable judge, he made no effort to waive the preliminary hearings. Will McClory, brother to Tom and Frank, was an accomplished attorney in Fort Worth. He soon arrived from Texas and joined the prosecution. Questioning why his brother's killers were walking the streets, he persuaded Spicer to revoke their bail. Sheriff Behan arrested Doc and Wyatt and took them to jail. Ike Clanton's testimony was particularly disastrous for the prosecution, as was that of Sheriff Behan. Both lied repeatedly, all but sinking the prosecution's case. The defense opened on November 16th. Fitch took advantage of an Arizona loophole by having Wyatt read a statement rather than testify. This kept the prosecution from cross-examining him. Though bedridden, Virgil testified from his bedroom, with the court coming to his bedside. Unlike his brother, he faced questions from the prosecution. Due to his long history of unsavory deeds, Doc Holliday never took the stand in his own defense. Neither did Morgan. On November 29th, Spicer issued a lengthy judgment absolving the Earps of wrongdoing. Immediately, cowboys and their partisans claimed that Spicer overreached his authority by holding the whole trial in the preliminary stage. Lasting a month and including 30 witnesses, the bizarre sequence is known today as the Spicer hearing.